Hello folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. So let's try to understand what exactly complete delivery and what are all the scenarios behind in it. So till now you have seen so many fields in shipping tab. Let's try to understand this one. Okay. So you can easily understand complete delivery allowed means it is quite opposite to your partial deliveries. So that means it will not allow you for any split deliveries. Let's try to open one BP and let's try to check what is the advantage of this option. So don't miss this session. You'll try to find different things. Okay. So you look at this in within the partial delivery tab section, you can able to find the complete delivery. If I tick this, immediately you think that so so your partial delivery is allowed is completely opposite to your complete delivery. That means so blank will not be allowed. Okay, let's try to save. When you hit a save, what it says, no subsequent partial delivery is allowed for the complete delivery. Okay, so we'll try to divide all these scenarios into different cases. So if you look at this, okay, the case one, what it says, okay, case one is all about your blank. Okay, when you try to activate, okay, uh, complete delivery tick mark, okay, it will not allow blank. That means no partial deliveries, no partial deliveries actively allowed and not even allowed to save. You forgot, right? That's why I'm just writing. Okay, this is first option with blank. Okay, all good. So let's try to make this one as alt enter so that you can able to see this. Okay, so this is all about a blank option. Now let's try to see case two. Okay, so it is meaningless, right? Okay, so if a partial delivery is allowed means it cannot be complete delivery. That's why this is ruled out option. So next one is A. What exactly A? So let's come here. If you would like to set up for your client, so what is his requirement also you need to understand at a business level. Don't try to directly go and tell that, whether you have complete deliveries or partial deliveries or something like that on discussion. That is different story, how to gather the requirements. So if you see partial delivery at item level, so now let's go for A. A is create delivery with quantity greater than 0. Let's try to understand this. Okay. So next go to the create delivery with quantity greater than 0. Okay. What exactly? What is the meaning of this? That means it's if you choose A, it will allow only complete delivery. Okay. Even if you do partial also, that again one more condition, the quantity must be greater than 0. That's what the system is talking about. Okay. With this option A activation. Okay. SAP talks right with us. Do you agree or not? Based on your instructions. So let's come here. Okay. Let's try to choose case A. Okay. So this is case 2. Sorry. So this one is case 2. That's it. Okay. So let's try to put some 10 quantity. So first I will show you two options here. Let's try to do the delivery first. Okay. Let's make it this one as partial. See, according to partial delivery agreement, no subsequent delivery takes place. Okay. If you want to go ahead, you can go with 10 or 5 or 6 or only one. but we will not allow you to go for subsequent delivery. That's what it is talking about. Let's do the PCI. And so the order number is 6812. Okay. So let's try to do one more delivery. What system says? Hey boss, no delivery items in the order. You cannot go ahead. So now let's go and check document flow for this particular order. So if you go to the document flow, see it is completed, right? Even if I have done partially also, if you go and view and items, it is out of 10 kgs, only 5 delivered, but still order is completed because of that option A in your BP. So now let me try to do one more thing. Okay, one more order for the same case. So let's give the 10. So let's go to the delivery. Let's try to make it 0 quantity. Okay, it's again depends on the kind of setting what you have done in your item category. So this is warning. See, with partial delivery indicator, quantity 0 not allowed. That's what it is asking. So let's go to the 0 VLP. Okay, it will come in further sessions. Let me show you here. If you go to the TAN delivery level item category, the options. Okay, so for example, the quantity 0, if I make it this one as error message, save it. Okay, so now let's try to go to VL01 and again. Okay, let's try to make this quantity as 0 and 0. What it says, delivery quantity must be entered for this item. That's what it is all about. Okay, so the error message. Now let's try to go for option B. Okay, now you understood that with 0 quantity and without 0 quantity, you have a couple of options will be there. So now let's try to make this one as B. B is create only one delivery. Also with 0 quantity also you can able to do it. That's what it is talking about the system for your customer. Okay, whenever you have a 0 quantity means that will be considered it as a service actually. Okay, basically you can able to say that that is for service delivery. Okay, for services also you will have a deliveries. Okay, so here let me try to make it this one as 12. Okay, first we'll try to see delivery. Okay, let's try to make it this one as 0. Okay, so how it works, again it is again based on the option what you have. Sorry, some interruption. Let's come to this order. Let's try to make it this one to 0. Okay, so for this delivery, according to partial delivery agreement, no subsequent delivery takes place, but for 0 you can able to do the PCI. So now let's try to go to the sales order and we'll check the document flow. So if you look at this, what it says, it's completed. Okay, what exactly we have done, if you check at item levels, actual quantity is 12, for 0 we have created. Okay, now let's try to do the delivery. Ideally it works like a only, for B also exactly equal to A only. There 0 quantity not allowed, here 0 quantity allowed. Okay, if you click this similar way, complete delivery will not be allowed. Okay, so you can able to keep it like this. Okay, so case 3, so this must be B option. So here 0 quantity also will allows. That is the only difference, otherwise it exactly same. Okay, so now let's try to understand case 4. Okay, so this one, uh, let me try to show you case B also with partial. It will not allow, right? Let's go for one more order. For partial, I will show you how it will become like a complete delivery for this case also for B. Similarly, it's exactly like same. Only thing is that B will allows zero delivery. Suppose if I make it a delivery, if I make it previously we have seen for zero, right? I'll make it see same message you will get it. And if you do the PCI and when you try to go for VA03 and let's try to pull the document flow. So it exactly, so now you can able to see this out of your order quantity 5, we have done only for 1. Let's try to do one more, let's try to attempt one more partial delivery. It will not allow you. See, same story. Okay. So order will be completed automatically when you say complete delivery if you have done one single delivery. Okay. So till this is fine. Now let's go to the BP. This option, there is nothing much to discuss. It's exactly like, the blank option. So B is done. Okay. So now it is important to discuss about this option also. C. It is like A and B, but it will give with warning. It will allow you in standard. So that error message also, if you don't want it, you can make it. Uh, so 1 second. Only complete delivery allowed. Let me try to put this case for. This is C. Only complete DLV. I put it. Okay. So if you want to learn, you have to learn option by options. For that, you must have patience. I would like to tell you one thing before going ahead for options. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 76, sorry, 7656 students, and these are the two different courses from S4 HANA. I specifically recommend these two courses. Must have to go through it if you would like to be, uh, you know learning for S4HANA sales. These are the two courses. Apart from that, I have a good couple of courses for pricing. This is for ECC. This is one of my top course currently holding 2000 plus students. If you look at this, this is the course is all about like pricing on S4HANA screens. Never worried about ratings. It's a really good course with PowerPoint deck I have done. I have idocs and I have so many set of courses which is specifically useful for real time. If you really want, you can give it a try. And let's get back to the discussion. So C is the option we're supposed to do it. Let's go for VA01. Okay, press enter, press enter. So let's try to check option C, how it works. Let's give a 10 quantity for this. Let's try to do the delivery. So if I make it 5, okay, press enter. What system does? This is something different. Full delivery required, boss. Warning he is giving. When you try to do the picking, it is also again giving the message. So that means it is giving information message, but it will allow for partial deliveries. Okay. Let's do the PJ, what it says. Again, the customer has requested this warning message. If you change it into error message, here also it will not allow you. Okay. But you have an option. Again, hit PCI. 2 times said, boss, only do the complete delivery, don't do the partial delivery. But still I have done it. Okay. See, press enter. I have forced my system. Look at this. See, see how many times? If you press twice, it is went. Okay, like that, it will maximum try to stop you, not allowing for partial delivery. So from next partial delivery, the order is 6816. Okay, so let me try to create one more. Even it will not give you warning message because you are not listening, right? Yeah. So that's how the system behaves for option C. Okay. Now let's go for VA03. So that means it is warned, but it is allowed for partial deliveries. Okay, if you wanted to see, you can able to see this. Actually, it's not a complete delivery. It is maximum try to stop you in standard. That is the, you know, beauty of option C. Okay, all good. Let's try to open the option, the last option. Okay, for complete delivery, blank it will not allow since partial deliveries won't allow. So option A and B, it is complete error message. C, it will allow, but still, if you mandate warning message to remove, then press multiple enters, then it will allow for complete delivery. D, even it will not allow you to save. Okay, so this is partial. No limit for subsequent deliveries means you are going to create, you are not creating any limit for creating subsequent deliveries like 9, 10, or 15 or something like that, such case. So if I say complete delivery, then this option also will not allow you to save. Okay, press enter, but try to save. So hey boss, I cannot do it since you said that it is a complete delivery. That means you can clearly understand that option A, option D is specifically for to allow for partial deliveries. So now if I take it complete delivery, it will allow. Okay, so it works like a unlimited partial deliveries for your quantity. So it's the same situation, case 5 also. Okay, option with D. So it will not allow to save when you choose complete delivery. I'm not writing anything. Okay, so all these are the different cases. If you really wanted to get that expertise, please try my course so that you know it will be helpful to you. Wishing all the best and have a great day. So write some comments. How do you feel about my sessions? I already completed 1000 plus sessions. I don't know when I have finished in YouTube, and here I have done a lot of hours, lot of dedication to finish Udemy course also. If you really like my videos, please put maximum ratings, and thank you so much. Have a great day.